So a couple people have asked how to install this. What I'm going to do is pry off the hubcap. It's plastic, pops right off. Move the axle nut. Move the wheel. Sometimes these gears pop off. I had to use a wedge and a hammer to pry mine off. You definitely don't want to lose that, so if you can take it off, great. This wheel nut here, you can see it's got a washer that's attached and or welded to all in one piece. You want to ensure that that fits inside of the hub and that there's room for it to move. If you don't have that ability for it to move inside of the hub, it's not going to work. If it's too tight or on the outside, that's not going to work. You'll need to get a nylock nut and use that instead with the small washer on the outside. So first step is to put the brass 1 1/8" bushing on, and notice there's approximately 1/4 inch in the back. So with that said, take 4 large washers and then put the bushing on. Now you can see there's about a 1/16 of an inch there. That's going to allow a little bit of side movement. Might want to throw some grease on there as well, because this is sintered. It means it's porous, and that will then absorb oil and grease, which is good, because this item will wear before the axle wears. So that's a good thing. So now what you want to do is insert the bushing into the back of the hub. It's flush. Place the wheel on. Small washer. And whatever nut then fits inside the hub without binding against the outer edge. And then again, tighten it down to approximately 15 foot-pounds. It's about that tight. So now you're going to notice it spins very freely. The nut does not spin off because it's snug against the axle, not the wheel. Notice the spinning? That's exactly what you want. So again, to recap, the bushing, when the nut is put on, the washer is tight against the axle. It doesn't bind against the bushing. So this washer is actually butted up against the axle first, not the bushing. That's exactly what you're looking for, right? Is that little bit of play back and forth. You could probably maybe get away with putting one more washer in there, and then you would only get a little bit of play, and that's kind of what you would normally want.